Abutin mo tayo ng isang taon dito, Mr. President. Ito po, sumagot naman po siya. Alam nga ba naman,
Can you please confirm if the cold cash you saw, 125 million pesos, do they look like that?
May we just ask as to the source of the photo and how it was generated and produced?
Yes, Counsel, either it is distorted because the 1,000 peso bills look bigger.
Yeah, Your Honor.
Is this AI?
I mean,
is this AI?
Wait.
What's up mga kababayan, page trending here. Dito sa video natin ngayon ay ating panoorin itong last part ng Day 16 impeachment trial ni VP Sara. Kahit anong gawang pagdidikdik ni Atty. Ligutan o ng prosecution team dito kay Miss Acosta, walang mapala itong si Ligutan, no? Na gumamit pa nga ng mga props at AI generated na picture ng 125 million confidential funds ni VP Sara. Pero bago ang lahat, huwag niyo po sana nakalimutan mag-like at subscribe para updated ka sa mga uploads ko araw-araw. At yun na nga ng mga kababayan, puro na lamang paporma, pamumulitika ang nangyayari ngayon dito sa impeachment trial. Kung kaya't hindi maiwasang sabihin ni Atty. Panelo na pabawas ng pabawas, no? Ang mga nanonood dito sa loob ng House of Representatives. Kung kaya naman, hindi ko na patatagalin pa, ito na ang buong video.
Judge Erwin Tulfo.
Mr. President, I have here the transcript of the hearing in Congress. Hindi ko po maintindihan bakit parang dito hirap na hirap po siya magtagalog when in fact sa Congress po noong November, Tagalog naman po ang sagot niya. Ang tanong po sa kanya ni Congressman Luistro, payment of incentive, 11 po. Would you know whether this amounts would total 120 exactly? Yes, ma'am. Gitotal ko po yan, ma'am. 120 million po. It's all puro Tagalog, Mr. President. What is this? I mean, mabuti po sana pati yung discretionary. And she's a government official. She doesn't know what discretionary means. I mean, what it means. Dito po, puro sumasagot naman po siya. English, Tagalog. Yes po. Are you aware? Opo. O may authority, special disbursing officer. Kasi po, wala akong alam kung paano po i-implement ang mga confidential. Mr. President, tama na po itong panluloko sa atin. Please, Mr. President, compel this witness to talk in Tagalog. Kahit po yung mga Bisaya po nakaintindi ng Tagalog, nakakasalita ng Tagalog, ano tayo sa ibang bansa? Ano tayo, mga Hapon, mga Chinese? I know, Ms. Witness, you can understand Tagalog, you can speak Tagalog dahil nandito po ito. Ilang pahina po ito. Tagalog po yung sagot po ninyo. English po, sumasagot kayo. Tinatanong kayo ng English, sumasagot po kayo. Bakit ngayon parang hirap na hirap? Kailangan i-translate sa Tagalog, sa Bisaya, sagot, Tagalog, Bisaya, Tagalog, Bisaya. Abutin mo tayo ng isang taon dito, Mr. President. Ito po, sumagot naman po siya. Alam nga ba naman, lulukuhin tayo ng nagtatranscribe po nito. Sagot po yan. Kasi po, nagbabase lang po ako sa ibinigay ni Sir La Chica ng mga ibinalik niya sa akin. Ms. Acosta, kindly answer the question. Piatos po ang sinabi ko, ma'am, na apelyido. That's all, Mr. President.
Thank you, Senator Judge Erwin Tulfo. Point well taken. Attorney Ligutan, to abbreviate the proceedings, kindly choose one language, English or Filipino, in asking the question. You don't have to translate each time unless the witness requests you to do so.
Yes, Your Honor.
Preferably use Filipino, Attorney Ligutan,
Opo,
as I'm sure
yes,
you're
ma'am.
well versed with it as well. Para
Yes,
mas maunawaan po ni
Mr.
Ms.
Presiding-
Gina.
Honorable Presiding Officer.
You may proceed, Counsel.
Ma'am, naitubig. There's water if you want to drink water po, ha?
Yes.
Drink water. Now, since you said inaprubahan po ng Vice President yung plano, kasama sa inaprubahan ng Vice President yung generic good governance program.
I-approve niya, Your Honor.
Okay. In fact, ma'am, yun din po yung naging tugon nyo sa same line of questioning noong November 25, 2024, as shown by that portion of the transcript. You confirm that it was may approval po ng head of agency at saka yung head of agency is the respondent in this case, Sara Zimmerman Duterte, Vice President. Tama po ba?
Tama po, Your Honor.
Let's proceed po sa susunod na punto. Let's go to the physical and financial plan naman. This time, para naman sa 2023. From Good Governance Program, ma'am, this time, Attorney J, it can be seen sa plano, this time, hindi na Good Governance Program, kundi nakasulat dyan, Socio-Economic Program Delivery.
With the indulgence of counsel, can the tech please zoom in? Yes, kindly zoom in.
May proceed, Your Honor.
Ms. Gina will please answer. Kindly confirm ang nakasulat na po sa 2023 ay yung Socio-Economic Program Delivery.
Yes, Your Honor.
Hindi na po Good Governance Program.
Yes, Your Honor.
Proceed, Your Honor. But, sa 2023 Fiscal and Financial Plan, okay, yung expected outcome naman nananatili 2022 na expected outcome. Nakasulat, safe implementation of OVP initiatives and confidence building for 2022, same expected outcome, safe implementation of OVP initiatives and confidence building. Tama po ba?
Tama po, Your Honor.
Ma'am, po pwedeng mas malapit pa sa mikropono para po marinig. Again, may tubig dyan, ma'am, ha? If you want to drink water now. Therefore, masasabi natin, base sa dokumento, ma'am, yung 2023 Fiscal and Financial Plan, kopya lang. Kopya lang ng number 1, physical target galing sa 2022. Tama po ba?
Objection, Your Honor. The document would speak for itself because the prosecution is asking the witness what is already based on the document as the question is framed, Your Honor.
Witness may answer. I'm just not so sure if she understands the word copy. But so, Ma'am Gina, pareho lang po ang nilalaman ng Fiscal and Financial Plan ng 2022 at 2023 maliban dun sa nag-iisang unang column. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor. Now, proceed. Same with budget for each quarter. Para sa fourth quarter ng 2022, 125 billion pesos. Para naman sa budget na hinihingi ng Office of the Vice President para sa unang quarter, pangalawang quarter, third quarter, fourth quarter ng 2023, ma'am, kopyang-kopya yung amount. 125 million pesos. Tama po ba?
Tama, Your Honor, kay mao man na ang nakabutang sa GAA, Your Honor.
Yun. Proceed, Your Honor.
You may tama daw dahil yun daw ang nakalagay sa GAA.
Both the 2022 Fiscal and Financial Plan and the 2023 version provided for broad program under po sa programs, activities, and projects. Sa 2022, Good Governance Program. Sa 2023 naman, Socio-Economic Program. Pero as to budget, pareho. Yes or no?
Pareho, Your Honor.
As to expected outcome, pareho.
Pareho, Your Honor.
All right. Now, let's go to this physical target naman. In the 2023 Physical Plan, same observation ba, ma'am?
Started using
Na
a different
nakasulat
model.
dyan,
Received
letter
the
A, number, identified areas with surveillance conducted and monitored without, hindi po nakasulat dyan yung actual na numero. Tama po ba?
Tama po, Your Honor.
Same with the letter B entry, percentage. Nakasulat dyan, percentage, the symbol symbolizing percentage of activities implemented without untoward security-related incidents without stating the actual percentage. Tama po ba? Walang number.
Tama po, Your
All
Honor.
right. In fact, you admitted, Madam, in the November 25, 2024 Committee on Good Government hearing that you have to consult Colonel La Chica on what to put in the physical and financial plan. Do you remember this?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yan. The programs, yung programa po, yung mga ini-expect nating resulta sa mga programa, yung mga targets ng mga plano, lahat ng ito ay gawa, ay galing kay Colonel La Chica. Di po ba?
Ano sa to, Your Honor?
Mhm.
Ay, sorry,
I will repeat.
Kindly repeat, Counsel.
Then,
Ang programa sa plano, ang expected outcome, ang target sa physical plan, galing kay Colonel La Chica. Tama po ba?
Objection, Your Honor.
Oh, what's the objection?
What's the objection, Counsel?
Asked and answered, Your Honor. The witness has already testified previously that security officer is providing inputs and guidance,
This is
Your Honor.
2023, Your Honor.
I think the question pertains to 2023 now. That was,
Yes.
she answered with respect to 2022. Ma'am Gina, yung nangyari po ba ng 2022, ganun din po sa 2023, galing kay Colonel La Chica?
sa paggawa ng physical financial plan, Your Honor, kasama gyapon ako siya. Kasama ko siya, Your Honor. Sa kanya pa rin ako nanghingi ng inputs and guidelines po, Your Honor.
Yes.
So galing nga po sa kanya. Galing
Kaming-
kay Colonel La Chica yung inyong inputs na nilagay dito.
Kaming dalawa po, Your Honor, ang nag-discuss, Your Honors.
Mhm.
Counsel, your witness.
Let's go to that November 25, 2024 hearing. Ma'am, tinanong ka ni Representative Jean-K. Luistro. As a matter of fact, the financial plan does not bear at all the signature of or the name of Colonel La Chica. Ma'am, yung sagot nyo dyan, yes po. Pero sa kanya po ako humihingi ng inputs or information with regards to the implementation of all these projects included in the confidential funds. This is what you said under oath in November 25, 2024. Under oath.
Opo.
Tama po ba? Your Honor, please. Ma'am, did you answer opo?
Opo.
Opo, ma'am. Your Honor, it's 12. Can I ask one question and I move for lunch break?
Yes, Counsel, you
Before
may.
we proceed to the next question. Ito yung tanong now. Ma'am,
Yes, sir. Ay, yes, attorney.
opo. Sa lahat ng mga dokumento isinumitin nyo sa COA, Commission on Audit, the plan, accomplishment reports, liquidation reports, nakasaad ba dyan sa kahit anong dokumento yung sinasabi nyo na lahat ng inputs, yung sinulat nyo sa plano, lahat ng inputs sinulat nyo sa reporting to COA, nakasaad ba dyan yung pangalan ni Colonel La Chica? Yes
Objection,
or no?
Your Honor. The document would speak for itself, Your
Honor,
Honor.
that's a question the public is very much willing to hear.
Witness may answer. Counsel, let the witness answer. I think
Yes
she
or
knows
no?
the answer anyway.
Yes or no?
Tama ba pag understand ko sa question mo, Your Honor, na sa lahat ng mga dokumento na isubmit ko
Plano, physical plan, ma'am.
sa physical plan,
Okay, sa accomplishment report
accomplishment
mismo,
report,
sa liquidation report,
sa liquidation report,
sa certification na successful yung paggamit, tama yung paggamit ng plano. May isang dokumento ba doon? Ma'am, limited po tayo doon, ha? Na ipinakita nyo sa publiko na si Colonel La Chica yung nagbibigay sa iyo ng input sa mga plano, tsaka siya yung nag-implement ng mga programs, activities. Meron ba doon? Yes or no?
wala.
Move for lunch break, or please.
Ma'am Gina, kain muna tayo para makahinga at relax kayo. Ng
Sige
konti
po,
rin.
mas better po, attorney. Ay, Your Honor.
Okay lang po, ma'am. Huwag kayong mag-alala doon. Pahinga muna kayo, kain tayo. The court will declare a lunch recess. We shall resume at 12:45. Trial is resumed. For the information of the counsel for the parties, we shall only be holding trial given the inclement weather until 2 p.m. this afternoon, and we shall convene session according to the Senate President at 2:30 p.m. So kindly be aware of the time, Attorney Ligutan, and if at all we reach cross, kindly be aware of the time.
Hanggang 2 p.m.
Ma'am Gina, patuloy po kayo magtetestigo sa ilalim ng pareho niyong pinanumpaan kanina. Naunawaan niyo po yun?
Opo, Your Honor.
Okay. Attorney Ligutan, your witness.
Yes, sir. Okay. I think I need to get Hello? Madam Witness, now, kanina, nabanggit mo na si Colonel La Chica yung nagbibigay sa iyo ng inputs, ano yung isusulat sa plano, at saka sa liquidation, saka accomplishment reports. Kanina rin, if the record will bear me out, in fact, nasabi mo rin na siya rin yung may alam sa pag-i-implement ng mga sinasabi niyong confidential activities. Okay, na pinagagamitan ng confidential funds. Now, yung tanong now is, ma'am, empleyado ba? Empleyado ba ng Office of the Vice President si Colonel La Chica?
Siya po ang itinalaga na security officer ng Office of the Vice President, Your Honor.
Yung
sir.
tanong, I think, is simple.
Ma'am Gina, pag sinabi niyong security, sagot niyo po kanina, siya ang commanding officer ng VP-SPG. Sinabi niyo rin po na siya ang security officer ng OVP. Meron po ba siyang appointment at sweldong tinatanggap bilang security officer ng OVP? Wala po.
Hindi ko po alam, Your Honor, kung may sahod po siya. Pero ang alam ko, meron po siyang office order na siya po ang security officer ng Office of the Vice President.
Okay. Your witness, counsel?
I think the question is simple, ma'am. Sa alam nyo, sa pagkakaalam nyo, I'm not asking ano yung designation niya. I think you are more than competent to answer this question. Empleyado ba ng Office of the Vice President si Colonel La Chica?
Ask and answer, Your
Your
Honor.
Honor, no answer yet.
Witness will answer, please. Kung alam niyo po, ma'am.
Ang alam ko po, siya po ang security officer, Your Honor. Yung lang po ang alam ko.
That was his answer, counsel. Her answer, rather.
All right, now. Madam Witness, I'm showing you now yung isang letter galing sa Office of the Vice President. May pitsang November 30, 2023. Pirmado ng isang Lemuel Ortonio. We are confronting you with the document through Attorney J, and the letter is also being shown on our screen.
Assisting counsels may approach.
Now,
Kindly zoom in to the relevant portion.
Okay. According to this letter, ma'am, November 30, 2023, nakasulat dyan na as early as July 2022, yung OVP nakapag-identify na ng mga programa tsaka surveillance activities na sinasabi dyan, intertwined with matters of national security. Yung letter is dated November 30, 2023, pero nakasulat dyan as early as July 2022, nakapag-identify ng mga programa. Aware ka ba sa letter na ito? Yes or no? Aware ka, hindi?
Aware po ako, Your
Now,
Honor.
in fact, aware ka rin na itong letter na ito yung tugon, reply ng OVP through Ortonio sa Audit Observation Memorandum. Aware ka rin yan, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, based sa letter na ito, ma'am, programs tsaka surveillance activities na sinasabi nyo to intertwined with national security, sinasabi nyo na-identify na as early as July 2022, and you will agree with me, ma'am, kung July pa lang, 2022, andyan na yan, kailangan sinama nyo. Isinama nyo dapat yan sa Fiscal and Financial Plan para sa fourth quarter ng 2022, which you submitted December 13, 2022, months after na-identify ng office nyo yung mga specific activities. Did you get the question?
Your Honor, saan po dito yung sinabi mo na activities, Your Honor?
Ma'am, nasa screen, these programs, program goals are inextricably intertwined with matters of national security. July
Assisting counsel, kindly point it
2022.
out on page 2.
Page 2.
Kindly point it out to the witness. What counsel is referring to?
Sir,
Okay.
ano po yung question?
Yung tanong now is, hindi ba dapat isinama nyo ito, yung mga sinasabi nyo mga specific activities sa Fiscal and Financial Plan for the fourth quarter 2022, which is dated December 13, 2022. Isinama nyo ba yan?
Objection, Your Honor. Argumentative, Your Honor.
Rephrase, counsel.
Okay.
I get the point of the objection of the counsel. Sustained.
Okay,
Kindly
now.
rephrase.
Hindi po ba those should have been reflected in the Fiscal and Financial Plan for the fourth quarter of 2022.
Same objection, Your Honor.
Ma'am Gina,
Yes, Your Honor.
bakit di nyo po sinama yung mga bagay na yan doon sa Fiscal and Financial Plan ng 2022? Kung Hulyo pa lang, may ganyan na pala, bakit hindi nyo po yan sinama sa 2022 Fiscal and Financial Plan? Fiscal and Financial Plan.
Sir, ito
Ma'am
po
Gina?
ba yung target property alleviation, threats to peace and order, and the promotion of economic development po?
Counsel?
I think the public knows whether the witness has answered the question or not. I will move on, Your Honor, please.
Move forward, counsel.
Thank you.
Thank
Now, Madam, let's go to this cash encashment for the 2020 check encashment para sa 2022 confidential funds. Now, pinapakita sa iyo ngayon yung isang cheque may petsang December 20, 2022. Okay? As well as yung nasa likod ng checking iyan. Okay? Yung checking iyan has been previously marked as Exhibit P, I, 28, small letter A, and P, I, 28, small letter A, 1. Yung tanong, you personally encashed, ikaw mismo yung nag-encash ng 125 million pesos cash advance ng confidential funds noong December 20, 2022, correct?
Opo, sir.
And then, ma'am, na-encash mo yan only pagkatapos yung cheque maibigay sa iyo. Tama po ba?
Yes, sir.
Tanong, kailan ba na-encash yung checking ito? Di ba? December 20, 2022?
Yes, sir.
And hindi po ba, bago ma-release yung cheque sa iyo, yung checking iyan, kailangan munang iprepara at saka dapat pirmado ng chief accountant. Tama po ba?
Ang nagpirma po,
No, ma'am. The question is, tama po ba na bago nyo ma-release, bago nyo natanggap yung checking iyan, kailangan i-prepare muna, tsaka pirmahan?
giprepare po ng accountant po.
Yes. Okay, now. And of course, madam, yung checking iyan, na-prepare lang, napirmahan lang, na-release sa'yo lang, only after the required disbursement voucher had been signed and approved. Tama po ba?
Opo.
If you can remember, ma'am, yung disbursement voucher na pirmahan tsaka na approved, same day, December 20, 2022. Tama po ba?
Yung
Voucher.
date ng voucher
Opo.
at saka date ng cheque.
On the same day?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. In fact, yun yung disbursement voucher dated December 20, 2022, Exhibit P, I-10A. Now, yung voucher na iyan, permado ng VP Sara Duterte, Julieta Villadilrey, tsaka Lemuel Ortonio. Tama po ba?
Your Honor, di ko mabasa
Can the
yung
witness
after
be-
my
Assisting
name.
counsel, kindly
Kung
furnish,
Ortonio po yon.
kindly furnish Gina a copy of the disbursement voucher.
It's in her possession at the moment, Your Honor, please.
Voucher.
Disbursement voucher
Voucher.
for the last quarter of 2022, Ma'am Gina.
Primado. Di kasi klaro po yung
Anyways,
perma dito. Ang maklaro ko lang dito, Your Honor, is my perma po, my
Yes.
signature, and then may perma po dito ng accountant namin. Pero yung sa gitna, hindi po kasi klaro dito, Your Honor.
Move on, counsel.
Now, Madam, yung disbursement voucher, yung pag-prepare, pag-paperma, tsaka pag-re-release ng cheque, yung date ng cheque, tsaka yung pag-i-encash ng cheque, they all happened on the same day, December 20, 2022. Tama po ba?
Tama po, Your Honor.
How much was the amount encashed on that day? 125 million pesos, di po ba?
Yes po.
You encashed this check sa Land Bank Shaw Boulevard branch. Tama po ba?
Yes po.
Now, listen to this question now. For unusual amounts like 125 million pesos, yung bangko kailangan ma-notify yung bangko isang araw minimum or at least 2 days before ma-encash yung cheque para ma-prepare, maihanda yung cash Ito yung na-mention ni Miss Violeta Constantino, then Department Manager ng Land Bank Shaw Boulevard when she testified. Do you confirm this practice?
Objection, Your Honor.
What's the objection?
The question is misleading, Your Honor. There's no testimony as to unusual amount, Your Honor.
There was, counsel.
There was.
There was, counsel.
Not by the witness, Your Honor.
Not by this witness, but by the land bank, by the land bank executive.
Okay? Hindi po ba? Kailangan mo notify muna yung bangko a day or two?
May we ask the prosecution to repeat the question, Your
Your Honor, please, I
Honor?
think there was a ruling.
If she knows,
Yes.
Ma'am Gina, kayo po ba ay nag-i-inform sa bangko o may kailangan po ba mag-inform sa bangko na mag-withdraw kayo ng ganito kalaking pera?
Ganito po, Your Honor, nang handa na po ang cheque, tumawag po ang aming cash division na Ma'am Gina, handa na po ang cheque at pwede mo nang ipa-encash sa bangko.
Not responsive? Okay. Now,
Continue, counsel.
by what time did you go to Land Bank on December 20, 2022?
Mga around 2 to 2:30 nakaabot dito, Your Honor.
2 to 2:30, hindi 3 p.m.
Mga ganyan na, Your Honor.
Your Honor, witness already answered.
Wait, time just clarify because that's what she said in the hearing. Anyway, so it's 2:30, and then when confronted with another option, 3 p.m., yung sagot mo, mga ganyan. So it includes 3 p.m. Tama po ba?
Basta naabot ko dito, Your Honor, mga 2 to 2:30. Ana, Your Honor.
All right. Now, by the time you arrived at the bank on December 20, 2022, yung 125 million pesos in cash nakahanda na, di po ba, for your withdrawal?
Sa pagkaalam ko, nakahanda na kasi
Yes.
tumawag po ang aming cash division, Your Honor, na kunin ko na ang cheque at pwede na ding ipa-encash sa bangko.
Yes. Ibig sabihin, at least, na-notify ng opisina nyo yung land bank a day before December 20, 2022 na mag-i-encash kayo ng ganung kahalaking halaga. 125 million pesos sa araw na yan, December 20, 2022. Tama po ba?
Tama po, Your
Tama
Honor.
po. Now, meaning, yung land bank na-notify na ihanda yung 125 million pesos bago pa man maaprubahan ang disbursement voucher, bago pa man maihanda, mapirmahan, tsaka ma-release ang cheque sa inyo.
Objection, Your Honor, misleading. There's no testimony as regards that.
Objection is sustained, counsel. There's no basis for that yet.
I mean, can I ask, what's the basis for them so I can
The court
reform?
already ruled.
The ground for
Don't be snobbish.
objection,
I'm asking
counsel,
you,
is
what's
misleading.
the-
The basis for that question has not yet been laid. The witness did not say anything about informing the bank before the voucher or checks were prepared.
Okay, anyways, Your Honor, please, we'll move to the next point. Voucher was signed, prepared, check was signed, prepared, released to you on the same day. So, hindi ba iyon? Pag-fast track. Pag-fast track na pag-i-encash ng 125 million pesos on the same day.
Objection, Your Honor. Vague
What's-
and argumentative.
Overruled. Witness may answer. Court would like to know her answer.
Hindi ba minadali yung pagdi-disperse ng disbursement voucher, pag-preview para ng cheque, pag-i-encash on the same day, 125 million pesos? Yes or no?
Dumaan po siya sa regular na proseso namin sa office, Your Honor.
Being vague again. Now, as the SDO and Project Accountable Officer, hindi po ba na yung pagmamadaling yan, ikaw yung nag-utos niyan? Tama po ba?
Hindi po ako nag-utos, Your Honor.
Okay. Sino ang nag-utos sa inyo?
Basta gi-process po yun, Your Honor, on a regular processing po, Your
Oo.
Honor.
Ma'am, I think I have to repeat the question, Your Honor, because she did not answer the question. Minadali, may nag-utos. When asked, sino nag-utos, sabi mo, hindi ikaw. I will ask this question again. Yung publiko are very much waiting for an answer. Sino ang nag-utos ng pagmamadali, ng pag-encash, ng checking yan, 125 million sa araw na yan?
Objection,
Wala
Your
po,
Honor.
Your Honor.
Misleading.
Objection is sustained again,
Okay,
counsel.
now.
There is no basis. The pagmamadali did not come from the witness, counsel. It came from your question. She
Your
said
Honor, please.
it went through the regular process of their office. Whether the
Yes.
regular process of their office is that fast or whatever, it's up
Okay.
to her.
Yes, Your Honor, please. I'll now go to the next point. Now, let's go back to the time you encashed 125 million pesos. Pagkatapos ma-verify ng bank teller yung identification at saka pagkatapos i-approve yung pag-i-encash ng checking iyan, di po ba you were instructed na magpunta sa backroom ng bangko?
Objection, Your Honor. Misleading, Your Honor. The witness hasn't testified yet. The
I'm asking for
teller
confirmation.
has
It
verified.
may be leading, but it's okay to ask leading questions because this was testified to by another
It's
witness from Land
misleading.
Bank that she
Don't
went to
argue
the
with
back room.
judge.
Just to clarify, Your Honor,
Yes.
the objection is grounded on that it is misleading, Your Honor, because there's no testimony yet that the bank teller, any bank teller verified, Your Honor. There's no testimony yet from the witness, Your Honor.
No testimony. He is asking the witness on the basis of a testimony given before the court counsel by a land bank official that Gina and, if I recall correctly, Colonel Lachiga and or Tonyo went to the back room of the bank. And the bank officer, in fact, if I remember correctly, testified that there was a door leading to the
Exit.
to another exit.
Yes,
I
Your Honor.
presume.
Yes, Your Honor.
Your Honor.
I think
That
there's a
pertains to
ruling.
DepEd counsel.
Your Honor.
Yes.
That may be the case, Your Honor, but it hasn't yet testified by the witness. So, with due respect to the prosecution, the proper basis must be laid, Your Honor.
It already ruled upon,
Modify
Your Honor.
for this one, counsel.
Okay.
I
I
stand
will-
corrected with respect to the backdoor testimony that it connected to DepEd. I distinctly remember that, not with the OVP. I stand corrected.
Backroom, Your Honor. I'm asking for the backroom. Now, isn't it? Okay? In that afternoon, you were instructed to the backroom of the bank. Di po ba?
Ano po yun?
Backroom, oo.
Bankroom.
Backroom po, backroom.
Sorry po, sir, ha?
It's okay.
Sorry po.
Attorney Ligutan,
Backroom.
kwarto sa likod o banyo?
Kwarto sa likod.
Kwarto sa...
Wala
backroom.
pong kwarto sa likod, Your Honor.
Okay, now. The question is simple. Saan nyo nakita yung 125 million pesos na in-encash nyo sa araw na iyon sa loob ng bangko?
Doon po sa may likod ng teller, Your Honor.
Yan. Okay, now. Sa likod
Open
ng...
space po,
Okay. Sa likod ng
teller.
teller. Now, ma'am, can you describe for us, to give us a mental picture, how big the pile of 125 million pesos in cold cash is? Ipa-describe.
Sorry, sir, ha? Pero dili kayo ko well-versed sa mga
Well-versed.
measurement.
Okay.
Pero
We will help
nakasulod siya sa... Nakalagay siya sa box.
Okay.
Ah,
Yeah, okay.
na nakabandel tag 1
One
million ang isa ka bundle nga nakaputos, nakabalot og cellophane na silyo pa, silyado pa. Tama po.
Sinasabi mo, ma'am, na hindi ka well-versed sa measurement. Tama po ba? Di ba? Now, I will show you a simulated representation of 125 million pesos. Sinabi mo 1,000 peso bill, di ba? Show that to the screen, please.
I'm sorry.
You tell the public, ma'am, if yung nakita mong 125
AI?
million pesos in cold cash.
Your Honor,
Wait. Not done.
Counsel, to finish the question,
Okay.
Attorney
Mhm.
Bacuel.
Now, can you please confirm if the cold cash you saw 125 million pesos, do they look like that?
Your Honor.
Counsel?
Before the prosecution proceeds with the question, may we just ask as to the source of the photo and how it was generated and produced?
Yes, Counsel. Either it is distorted because the 1,000 peso bills look bigger.
Yeah, Your Honor.
Is this AI? Your
I mean,
Honor?
Yes, of course. That is simulated.
Okay.
Is
Because
this
we don't,
AI?
wait. Because we don't have 125 million pesos in cold cash. So we had to resort to technology.
Is that, Your Honor, artificial intelligence? Is this AI?
Yes.
Generated?
Yes.
Counsels, if you will allow the presiding officer. Ma'am Gina, sabi niyo nakalagay po sa kahon, tigi 1,000 bundle. Ilang kahon po?
Dalawa, Your Honor.
Gaano kalaki po yung kahon? Gamitin niyo po yung kamay niyo. Gaano kataas po? Gaano kataas? Gaano kataas po? Yung kamay niyo po sa baba, pakipat yan para makita po namin. Ganyan kataas at ganito kalapad. Kasing lapad po ng witness stand. 125 million po yan. Dalawang kahong ganyan.
Opo, Your Honor.
Binilang niyo po ba? Tinanggal niyo po ba mula sa kahon o hindi na?
Tinanggal po sa kahon, Your Honor.
Pagkatanggal niyo sa kahon, binalik niyo ba sa kahon?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Saan niyo na nilagay?
Nilagay ko po sa aking 4 na bag.
Ito po yung duffel bag.
Parang traveling bag po, Your Honor, na oblong.
Traveling bag, 4 pong gano'n.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
The procedure,
Your witness, counsel?
Sinabi mo, ma'am, na yung 125 million pesos nakabundle into 1,000 peso bills. Sa isang bundle is 1 million pesos. Again, para sa ating mga kababayan na hindi pa nakakita, how does a 1 million pile is?
Counsel, is that an actual thing again or a reproduction?
Your Honor,
Yes, while you're showing the witness, Attorney Bakel.
may we just interpose an objection as regards presenting the witness those props, Your Honor, in as much as the parties are uncertain, the defense is uncertain as to how is that an accurate representation of what the prosecution claims to be, Your Honor.
I will ask that question, Your Honor, please.
Before I rule on the objection, yes, counsel, ask your question. And kindly don't cover Miss Gina.
I'm so sorry. Ma'am, sinabi mo, yung 125 billion pesos nakapile by 1 million peso each. Tama po ba?
Opo.
And then, yung bills ginamit is 1,000. Tama po ba? Sinabi mo, hindi ka well-versed sa measurement. Yung sabi mo, di ba? Kaya nga, ito yung simulated 10 bundles. The size is similar to 1,000 peso bills. Ma'am, yung 1,000,000, pwede niyo pong hawakan if you want. If you want lang, ha? Ay, lagi dagan, ma'am, ha? Now, yung 1 million pesos, kamukha ba ng isang bundle na ito?
Your Honor,
Wait.
Is that your question, Attorney
Yes.
Ligutan? Yes, Attorney Bakel.
Your Honor, we manifest that upon the examination of assisting counsel, these appear to be just blue-colored lengthwise papers wrapped in plastic with 10 bundles each. How is this an accurate representation of the size of
Can I
whatever
respond
the
to that?
prosecution claims to be, Your Honor? They are yet
Well-
to lay the proper basis as regards this, Your
Counsel
Honor.
claims it's a mere simulation.
Yes.
If
Alright.
that is an objection, counsel, I will have to overrule the objection. Witness will please answer. Ma'am, parang ganyan po ba yung bundle ng tig-1,000 withdraw ninyo?
Your Honor, may I know po kung ito po ay, is this 100,000?
Yes.
This one? Is this
Ma'am,
100,000?
I think we did
Sa
not...
pagkakaalala niyo po, kung tagi-1,000 po yan,
Yes.
10 bundle ng tagi-1,000 na ang kabuuan ay 1,000,000 sa isang balot ng plastic. Ganyan po ba yung itsura ng inyong withdraw? Yung bundle po yung bundle.
Basta nakabalot lang po siya ng silupin, Your Honor, tapos binilang po namin.
Ma'am, when you say cellophane, plastic.
Plastic.
Ito, Your Honor.
Kaya nga, so ganyan po yung size.
Oo, nakasilyo po, Your Honor.
Bagong pera po ba, lumang pera?
Bagong pera po, Your Honor.
Okay, so mga ganyan nga po yung size. Yun lang ang tinatanong sa inyo ni Attorney Ligutan. Huwag natin pag-usapan yung bigat, yung hugis.
We'll go into the weight later.
Halos ganyan po ba?
Ganito po, Your Honor, basta nakabalot po siya ng silupin.
Ma'am, kayo naman. Eh, makita niyo naman kung
Parang
halos
ganito
parehas
po.
Para halos parehas po ba? Yun lang ganun kasimple yung tanong.
May similarity gamay, Your Honor.
Okay.
May manggod siya, lapad-lapad man ang kwarta.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor. Now, Madam Witness. Ilan yan? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, 125 of these bundles, correct? Yung nakita nyo sa hapon na iyon, December 20, 2022. Tama po ba?
Unsa?
Yun yung nakita nyo sa
Yeah.
bangko na in-encash ng Office of the Vice President. Cash, cold cash, sa hapon na yun. Tama po ba?
Ano po? 125 million po to, Your Honor, ang nakita nako. Among giihap.
Yes.
Gibilang po namin, Your Honor.
Yeah, 125.
Your
And then-
Honor.
Just to clarify, Gina, before Attorney Bakel, before I recognize you, bundle count lang po ang ginawa niyo.
Bundle count po, Your
Hindi niyo
Honor.
na po binuksan yung cellophane na sinasabi niyo, yung plastic, binilang niyo na lang po, 125 yung ganun.
Hindi na po, Your Honor. Nakasilyo po kasi siya, Your Honor.
So binilang niyo na nga lang po, 125 na ganun.
Opo, Your Honor.
Hindi na isa-isa. Hindi niyo na binilang isa-isa yung bill. Yung tigi 1,000.
Dili na tigig.
Hindi na po.
Hindi
Okay.
na.
Attorney Bakel, yes. What is your comment or objection?
Your Honor, may we respectfully ask if the props could already be removed, Your Honor, as it's not necessary for the testimony of the witness.
It is, Your Honor. It is.
Are
is
you
very
done
much.
yet with that, with your
Not yet, Your
simulation,
Honor.
counsel?
Not yet.
Okay.
Now,
Wind it up.
yes. Now, I'm sure, Madam Witness, with your figure, kanang imong kadakon sa lawas, ma'am, you would not be able to bring yung kadami-daming 125 million pesos in cold cash na iyan. Tama po ba?
Tama po.
Now, who were with you in the bank yung moment na iyan?
Your Honor, ibig sabihin pa kung sinong kasama ko pagpunta sa bangko.
Yung nasa bangko na, sa loob ng bangko, kaharap yung 125 million pesos in cold cash. Sino yung kasama mo from the Office of the Vice President kung meron man?
Your Honor, before the
Yes,
witness
Attorney
may
Bakel.
answer, Your Honor, the question of the prosecution is totally unrelated to the use of the props, Your Honor.
Your Honor,
We will
I
just
am
request,
going
Your Honor.
there.
I'm still not finished. May we just respect, the defense respectfully requests, Your Honor, that these be removed until the relevant question is interposed, considering
So we
that the witness has the right to be respected as well in the
Wait.
proceedings, Your
I
Honor.
think I
Offense
see,
to that.
Attorney Bakel, I think the court sees well Attorney Ligutan is getting to, get to it, Attorney Ligutan.
Yes. Okay,
Miss
now.
Gina, may kasama po ba kayong ibang tao mula sa OVP nung pinikap niyo yung pera?
Meron po, Your Honor.
Sino po?
Si Asik Ortonio po, Your Honor.
Okay, Attorney Ligutan, your witness.
Okay, now, walang membro ng VP SPG, okay, yung kasama nyo, yung Vice Presidential Special Protection Group, kasama nyo sa loob ng bangkong iyan. Tama po ba?
Wala, Your Honor, pero ang aming driver po ay member po ng BPSPG.
Yes, ma'am. Now, even with such large amount of money, hindi nyo naisipan na mag-request ng isang or maraming escort na sasama sa inyo sa bangko tsaka lalabas with those bills. Tama po ba?
Objection, Your Honor, argumentative.
Oh, Your Honor.
Overruled, counsel. Witness will answer.
Ang gisama ko po, Your Honor, nakisuyo po ako, nasamahan po ako ni Asik Ortonio.
Ortonio lang.
Nakiusap ka, nasamahan ka ni Asik Ortonio.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
How did you bring out of the bank yun yung that 125 million pesos?
Your Honor, po di ulitin ang question.
Okay, paano nyo inilabas ng bangko yung 125 million pesos na iyan?
May tumulong po sa akin, Your Honor.
Oh. Okay, now, sino yung tumulong sa inyo?
Yung security
Okay
ng
na.
land bank po, Your Honor.
This is the question now. Okay. Yung 125 million pesos na iyan, did you put it into bags or you brought them out one by one?
Nailagay po yun sa 4 na bag, Your Honor.
4 na bag. So, hindi po hand carry lang yung bills na yan.
Hindi, Your
Okay, so
Honor.
now we will give in to what the defense wants, Your Honor, please. Having been satisfied that this person cannot bring out of the bank using her own 2 hands these bills, now, we can now. Attorney J,
Assisting
you
counsel.
may now remove